Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make raspberry Danish. Start by gathering ingredients and preheating the oven, then chill your puff pastry so it stays flaky when rolled. Measure cream cheese, sugar, vanilla, and lemon zest for the filling, and keep an egg for egg wash ready. Line a baking sheet with parchment and set a small pastry brush and cookie cutter nearby to speed up assembly and baking. Make the filling by beating cream cheese, egg yolk, sugar, and vanilla until silky, then fold in lemon zest for brightness. Cut the puff pastry into squares and press a shallow well in the center to hold filling and berries. Spoon filling into each well, top with fresh raspberries, and brush the exposed edges with egg wash to ensure a golden finish. Chill briefly before baking to preserve flaky layers. Slip the tray into a preheated 400 degrees F oven and bake the danishes until the pastry puffs and turns a deep golden color, about 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Let them cool on a wire rack for several minutes so the filling sets slightly, then finish with a simple glaze or a light dusting of powdered sugar. Serve warm to enjoy crisp edges and a tender, jammy center with each bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.